I think I developed an attitude in life that made me more resilient, which was the setbacks aren't necessarily a bad thing. They're something that we can use to draw on. So, for instance, recently the UK government issued guidance for employers on non-binary gender. But then at the last minute, when they published that guidance, they changed to non-binary to just say undefined or non-specified. And that was a setback. But it gives us the opportunity to show people that, look, these institutions are kind of giving face value, opportunities to us and not necessarily changing their attitude. And if anything, that allows more people to unite and see, wait, hang on, it's not that easy to change institutions, and maybe we can join in. And I think that gives other people the courage to say, well, actually, it's not all about, those gold star successes and trophies. It's about the little struggles and overcoming them each time that I think gives us more power when we're doing our human rights work.
One of the hardest things in this fight for the law to change has been the feeling that you are not listened to. I got to a really low point a little bit over a year ago, when I felt like I get no response, that I've been trying to tell the government and the people the same things over and over again, but they are always dismissing our pleas. They're always saying it's not a priority. They're telling lies about trans people. They are making up these scenarios. They are quoting the Bible, and they are really not thinking about the people behind this. I felt like I felt really powerless. But then after a while, I got this email from Amnesty asking, hey, would you like to grab a coffee with us? We'll have a proposal. It's about global campaigning about trans rights. That was a glimpse of hope I needed. Up to that point, I had been so done with everything. But that was the thing I grabbed onto. That was the thing that pushed me again and made me keep going. That made me realize that, there is still hope.